Hey everyone. So I'm sorry I did not post a video yesterday, but I just forgot. I apologize for that. Anyway, Jacksepticeye level by Hobbit Warrior. Jack and Boss Sub's new impossible idea. Level really hard, but try making a new version. Alrighty then.
Damn it!
I'm supposed to be Pogo then, huh? Yeah. Oh! Oh!
Ah!
You're fine, Pogo.
Ah!
Less fine. Oh, jeez.
Ah!
Oh!
Oh,
Okay.
no!
So
Ah!
there's room for improvement. Here we go. Oh, there's another landmine. Wow. That's actually kind of cool. Triple backflip. I did it. Get the gold. Get the coin gold by Chubbs the Fatty. D% GJBN. Right. Go. Is that a picture of a pizza slice on that coin? Yes, it is. Oh! Nope, okay. Go. Good, nope, okay. So, oh! That was awesome. Well, let's do a replay real quick. Wait, hold on. Let's, this time, slow motion. I suppose I could have just done that in editing, but, oh well. But, anyway, as I was saying, what was I saying? I don't know. Either way, I was going to say that, as you can see, or maybe you haven't noticed yet, I actually changed my profile picture. Sorto by Cool Adries. Third game, rate 5 stars. Here we go. Kill all for you. It'd probably help if you used both hands. There we go. Oh, that could have been awesome. Just wasted like all my swords. Yep. There we go. Oh no. Oh, nope. Okay. I'm gonna try one more time. Oh, wow. Yeah, come on. No! Alright, moving on. Pogo Challenge Pro by JJ Bounty Hunter. Jump across the platforms to reach the end, fall off, and you hit the spikes. There are also challenges along the way to the finish. This is for people who are experienced with the Pogo Man. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. What's back here, though? I want to see what's back there. No. Nope. Okay. I don't think that's gonna do me any good. Maybe it's like a choose your own adventure thing. Easy mode, or incredibly easy mode, in fact. Hard mode. Possibly incredibly hard mode. Okay, here we go. This time. Nope. Come on. Nope. Wow. And there's the pogo stick. Okay, here we go. This time. Well, my pogo stick made it. I think I should get the credit for that, because I launched the pogo stick into the finish line. Oh, no, okay. That was close. Yes! Dodged that harpoon gun like it was nothing. Moonshot by Gino Grosso? I don't know. That's cool. Oh! It's cool until that happens. This is awesome. Is that my spaceship? Okay, good, I thought I was good. This is wall. What? I want to try that again. Was I supposed to explode? Oh, I see. Apparently go on the rocket, which I failed to do. Oh, you go in the rocket. Which I, again, failed to do. But jetpack get me back up there? I don't think it can. Go in the rocket. Hopefully no forward. Oh no, my space element fell off. Okay, it just flies off into the sunset. I'm guessing the sunset would exist on the moon. Spin the Wheel 1 by Zombie Squad 11. Hope you like it. Start. Wait. Win, lose, nothing. I think I'm supposed to be like right here. Okay, so what happens? Do I just lose? Okay, I'm gonna try it again. That is a tiny chance of victory. Come on. Come on, victory wheel. Is it ever going to... Oh, I see. I go over here to make it stop. Okay. I got it. Nothing. I'm gonna try it one more time. Well, now that I know how it works... Stop. Oh, there's an invisible wall here. Nice. Okay, I'm just randomly hitting buttons now. Lily Rex Quiz 2014. GNL J-Graph. Espero que te guste ver luego la mejor y con las preguntas. Ciao. Oh, I'm supposed to be Segway guy, aren't I? Okay, I'm gonna have to guess. This one. Yeah. Wait, that was it? Oh, there were spikes down there. First level, Ghost Rider XLX. Oh, I'm supposed to be Pogo guy. Okay. Nope. That was awesome. Mundo Loco. Fry 88956. Creo que puedo divertida la editación de este mundo. Rated 5 stars.
Ah!
Okay. Let's try it again. Oh, wait, hold on. No, he's not gonna win this. Oh, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens to the light. Oh, that's it. How much light? Wait. Nope, okay. What? Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nope, again. See what happens. Nothing. Okay. I'm gonna beat this level this time. Maybe not. Oh, neither one of us really like. I can't track its progress now. The blue bicycle.
Damn it!
Alrighty then. Poto. Like Pancho 4321. SD. is going on? Okay. In the Space demo by Fran Noki. Quiero aclarar en que es una demo. Y si es mierda es porque es una demo. Okay. Alright. NASA. Welcome, travelers. The letter L. Home for stop. Okay. I thought we were going to be time traveling today. Nope. It's a time travel based obstacle course. Alright, this is nothing I signed up for. Okay then. Come on. Ow. It's like an Enderman with clothes. Alright. Bottle run by Metal for that number. Metal 4666. Win! Oh. Okay. Hey! Upwards Torture by The Gaming Python. And a twist into the usual ways to die levels. This time, you're in a helicopter going up the way, and the testificants are at the side. Try it and tell me what you think. Wait, what's this? Shouldn't the rules be portrayed in order so that I see them in order as I go up? I don't know. But what I do know is that I just died. Just fly up, go slow, repeat number 1, repeat number 2. Okay. Then why are rules 3 and 4 even there? Backwards. JB, you know. And my helicopter is now a wheelchair. Wait, I want to see it roll backwards over the finish line. Come on. Please? Please? No! Well, that's it for this episode. If you liked, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you all tomorrow with a Minecraft Let's Play.